Hello, my name is Lucas Warner and I'm going to talk about World Relief. Who are they? World Relief is an organization that helps with global problems. They work through churches and use local volunteers instead of hiring people from the US to go across countries. They already have people in those countries who are willing to help out the people in need. They are partnered with over 5,000 churches and have almost 100,000 volunteers worldwide. This picture below is a picture of their mission statement, which reads, "At World Relief, our mission is to empower the local church to serve the most vulnerable." Where are they? They are located in over 100 countries. And in those countries, they're not in just a specific place. They have churches all over those countries where they're helping. They choose to help everywhere instead of just a few locations so they can reach the most possible people they can. How can we help and what to help with? On their website is a funding option where you can just go click on and donate. All of their funding is donation, so all the money they get to help people with is from donations from people like us. If you also have the opportunity, you could just go to one of these countries and volunteer, which, is a little tougher to do, but if you really feel called to, that would be a great option. The next slide shows a few things that we could help with. A few things that we could help with are disasters, extreme poverty, refugees, immigrants, and displaced people, violence and oppression. These are some of their biggest things that they work with and some of the largest world problems we see today. Here are my sources, and thank you for watching.